Hi there, savewith.crypto here. Okay, so I just thought I'd do a video. It's a bit late in the day, I know. I was doing stuff this morning, so I couldn't really make a video. But I thought I'd do a video just talking about what I think might happen with the price of Bitcoin. Now, obviously, what I think is probably completely wrong. It's so tricky these days. Since we've had the ETF things, I think there's a lot more money in the market. And there's a lot of bigger trades and bigger things affecting the price and stuff, because some of the moves just don't kind of make sense. So we came down today from just over 40,000. I am actually shorting it actually. I shorted it from 4174, which wasn't a bad entry, was it? And I've just been out and I didn't notice that it came down to like 39.5 almost, which is when I should have got out of the trade. But I'm just going to leave it where it is for the moment, just in case it comes back down again. Because you know what it does sometimes, it does like a double bottom type thing. So if it does that, I'll maybe take my profit there. I might just move the stop loss a little bit that way, just so it doesn't hit. But it's not a big trade, it's like $85 in profit. But I do find if you want the price of an asset to go up, and it does help take your mind off it a bit if you do a few little shorts, just kind of try and catch the top when it's looking a bit weak, and come down a bit and just make a few bucks that way, sort of thing, just to sort of stop yourself feeling a bit too negative. But I do think I'm going to get stopped out on this, and I'll tell you why. It's because the other day I did a video about the whole suite indicator, and I was looking at it mostly on the 5-minute time frame, and I was just looking at it on the 4-hour. Now on the 4-hour things look a bit different. Look, I'm just going to turn it on and off so you can see which one it is. Okay, it's that green and red sort of trend indicator, if you like. This is a free indicator on TradingView. Now, it is red at the moment. It's getting quite thin down there. Now, when it goes green, you generally see things go to the upside a little bit. That wasn't a particularly good example there, but obviously this one here was a good example. And that one there, clearly a very good example as well. Something like this one here, went from red to green, and then it went up quite a lot. So I'm kind of hoping this might be the one that's going to push us back nicely over $40,000. And what I really want to see is 42,000, and I think after that we'll be okay, and the price will go up at least for a short while. Now these are getting really quite thin here, and this 4-hour candle here has got 1 hour and 44 minutes before it closes. Okay, so it's now 4 hours on from that last part of the video. That was 6:15 p.m. and now it's 10:15 p.m. UTC. What happened while I was having my dinner was this wick came up here to over 40 grand, and it hit my stop loss and closed my short. Bit annoying because it came back down afterwards, but that seems to be what happens these days, and I don't want to risk losing money. As it happens, I made about $40. I could have made a lot more, but never mind. So we're back in the middle of this VWAP thing now. So I don't really want to do a trade now. What I might do, I don't know though. I really want to go to bed really, but what I might do is set an order down here to go long at say 39.536. I think I might do that just in case we get a wick coming down, because to me the price does seem bullish at the moment. Let's just check that 4-hour whole suite. Yeah, you see it's getting thinner, isn't it? But it's not quite there, is it? It's not quite going green. Anyway, I'll keep you updated with what I do, because that's what I do, isn't it? So please do make sure you've liked the video and you've subscribed and you've got the notifications set on all. While you're down there, leave a nice comment, and above all, tell your friends.